Hi everyone, it's Adam here again with another 2-minute wellness tip. I think there are a lot of you probably who have fitness equipment lying around in your basement or in your home that you haven't used very much. Well, today I want to talk about using a little bit of that equipment. I personally keep adjustable dumbbells, and these dumbbells go from 5 to 52.5 pounds, and I'm going to be using these today. So if you have even a can of soup or some old dumbbells lying around, here's how you can get in a great chest press, keeping good alignment and safety. Okay, so I'm going to grab my dumbbells, and I have a bench, and I could actually do this on the floor, but if you do have a bench and you do have dumbbells, here's what we're going to do. We're going to sit the edge of the bench. I'm going to make sure that I'm centered on the bench and have my dumbbells resting on my thighs. I want to be centered on the bench because as I lean back, I want to be on the center of the bench, right? So as I lean back and lie down, I'm going to bring my feet up. I can feel that the bench is centered underneath me. I'm going to swing my elbows out, not drop them down too low, and then press up overhead and just gently touch the dumbbells together. I want my forearms vertically aligned and lower down, no lower than my elbow, same level as my shoulder, right? Pressing up, and you notice how my knees are bent, my feet are up. This is keeping my back flat, supporting my lower back. 3 counts up, 3 counts down, 3 counts up, 3 counts down, not going too low. There's no need to go too low. 3 counts up. Now, when I'm finished, I'll count 3 counts down, swing my elbows in, put these on my thighs, and then roll up to sitting. It's a safe way to get out of that chest press position. When I put my weights down, I want to squat them down, not bend forward using my lower back. Okay, so there's an easy way to get the basic chest press out of your old dumbbells that is sitting around doing nothing in the basement. All right, hope you enjoyed that. Subscribe to my channel below. There's a lot more of these videos and body weight workout videos, yoga, tai chi, fitness for equestrians, and so on my channel. Enjoy.